Oh, there's fucking two of them!
Oh, you're so dead.
Ah!
Yo.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Right before they get big, they quit. You know,
I opened one case and I got gloves.
That's fire.
Fire.
That's $3,000 in net.
I'm actually just cheating at this point. I don't know what's happening. Oh my god. Player. Two of them. Got both. This gun's awesome, man. Holy shit. That felt so clean. The fuck? You hear that, Scav?
No.
He said hee 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 ha.
Yeah.
Scav's fucking spawned. Nice. I lit him up. I gotta reload. Reloading. Another one peeking. Nice. Another one. My side! Got her! Get him! Get him! Get him! I'm dead! Shit!
Don't talk on her.
I got him, he's dead.
That was 3.
That was way more than 3. I killed 3 raiders in one. Jesus.